Hey, Bubba Trades! Uh, in my last video, I said there's no hope. There's no more hope. All hope is lost. And we got a little bit of hope from Google this week. So I'm going to talk about that. I should say last week. The whole point of Elliott Wave is to try to be as objective as possible. Really to try to be as objective as possible in a time when the stock market, there's one narrative. It's extremely hard to believe that the stock market is going to go up when a tariff war has happened. And I said in my last video, one of the reasons I thought all hope was lost is because this could be wave A, this could be wave B, and then boom, that wave C equal legs target was reached. So one possibility for the bulls, really what they're going to be clinging on to, is that this is a wave 1, A, B, C, wave 2. This is a big wave 3, and then an ABC wave 4 correction that ended between the 38.2 and 50% fib. So really far is this low of 481. Now, if 481 goes, this market could cascade to the downside. So it's really important to understand the stop loss aspect of these lows. We're going to try to see and answer a question. If the stock market did pull back, and retested this low, would it be a good buy with 481.80 being a stop loss? And right now, there's one stock, Google, that is kind of echoing that message. 1, 2, 3, 4, wave 5. So wave 5 can be the length of wave 1 or the length of wave 3 placed at the wave 4 low. They're really about the same length. And so if it's the length of wave 3 placed at the wave 4 low, then the S&P 500 can go to 750 for wave 5. So there is upside potential, and there's also downside potential. I'm just going to be honest. One possibility that you're going to see a lot of is that this is the wave A, this is the counter trend wave B, and this is the dead cat bounce, and there's going to be a wave C lower. So we're going to talk about some scenarios in this video, but really the big message of this video is that one stock that's highly correlated with the stock market has formed 5 waves from the low. It's gone 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this 5-wave sequence is a pretty big deal. In Elliott wave theory, this is going to suggest that an impulse sequence has formed from this low. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, an impulse. And so if the stock market did pull back, what could happen is that this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, wave 1. Wave 5 will end, and that's going to be wave 1, wave 2, and then bulls are going to look for wave 3. So this is kind of that pullback scenario. If this low of 140.53 is retested, I do believe it's objective to say that it's worth a shot. It's worth a shot with a stop loss at this low. Maybe something like this. So in my last video, I said there's no hope. Google has formed a 5 waves impulse, and from a purely Elliott wave perspective, not talking about conspiracy theories, not talking about Donald Trump, not talking about anything besides Elliott wave, I am here to update and say, if this low was retested, this low of 140.53, if this was retested with a pullback, there's a chance it's a wave 2 correction before wave 3 higher. And so Google has given some pretty nice Elliott wave evidence, and that's really the main update for this video. So it could look something like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And this is what the bulls are hoping for in the long term, because this is a really short-term count. We're on the 4-hour time frame, not even daily candles, and it's formed a 5 waves impulse from the low. So bulls are going to look for something like this from Google. If there is a pullback, stocks might be worth a shot while Google is above 140.53, assuming this low is retested.